Hello viewers, how are you doing today? Today we are going to draw a ripe tomato. For this we are going to draw a circle like this one. So we can outline a circle. Let's draw the line and connect this line to this one. So it's like a whole circle, a little gap here. Now we draw the holder like this. Okay. The green color extension at the bottom looks like this. So this is the shape of a tomato. We can put red color, as you know that the ripe tomato looks like this. That's why we are putting the darker shade to the border. Let's complete the whole circle for the darker shade. This crayon color, it's easy to use. It takes very small time to fill up a very big area. Whether if we use the pencils, it's going to take more time than the crayon. That's how if we use crayon for large scale drawing, we need less time to complete the drawing. So as you see that I am going to the middle and the shades becoming lighter like this. All right. As long as we can do, would like to smooth the transition or the gradient point from darker to the lighter. All right, let's draw with pencils to make the outline little smoother like this one. So for detailing we can use the smaller pencils. We're drawing the few little points here for the detailing. You can see I'm drawing the same color for all the segments as I see here. That's how it's the same drawing for all the segments. We always try to put a uniform color combination for the whole drawing as we try it. So I am trying to make the color as much uniform as I can make. That's better for the outlook of the drawing. So I am trying to fill up all the white spaces that are left behind with the crayon. Because the crayon is a large scale pointer, so in some cases we see the white spaces in between the lines of the crayons. So that's how the next time I'm using the pencils, it's filling up the white points in between the crayons. So the ripe tomato looks good. Now I'd like to put green color here. So the bottom is the green color. All right. Now we can use the pencils for putting the shades little bit darker, and we can put some depths in the drawing here. Now we can use the basic properties for shading this ripe tomato. Let's make one side more darker and other side little lighter. So we need a transition from darkness to the lightness. That's why a little darker at the bottom. For little bit more elaboration, we put few strokes with another different colors crayon. That's how we can show that this ripe tomato is on something like a ground or a table. Okay, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. You need to do the practice at home. The more practice, the better the drawing. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.